Let's start to have a look now about recording some audio into Audacity. So here we've got a bit of audio.
AF light and ECS light. Down, we got a water separator light. Water, all check. Right.
Which is from the internet. It's a free piece of archival footage, of audio footage, and it's of the moon landing. Some of that famous talking to and fro from Houston to the capsule. Alright, I'm going to use this tool first of all to get everything back on screen, and I'll just reshape my track a little bit. And I can see the headset that I'm using is listed in this list of microphones, the Plantronic C420. I'm going to use that to make a recording of a new one. So I'm just going to mute this track for a second, and I'll skip back to the start where I want the recording to begin. And I'm going to use my imagination here a little bit, and once you listen to my recording you'll probably understand the thing that I'm trying to create. Good morning, students. I'd like you to think about when listening to this bit of audio, I'd like you to think about tone and intention. Think about the setting where they are, and think about the gravitas of the moment. And from there, I'd like you to use that as a jumping off point. There is a link in the LMS to a whole group of recordings, all of which are about famous speeches from history, European history, American history, and things like the moon landing recordings. I want you to use this as a jumping off point for your very first assignment, which is just a creative writing exercise to write a dialogue or a monologue speech, thinking about intention. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to the recording of the moon, of the Houston talking to the capsule and the moon landing, 1968. Okay, let's have a listen back. I'm just going to use the skip back to start button, and I'll play. Good morning, students. I'd like you to think about when listening to this bit of audio, I'd like you to think about tone and intention. Okay, so that's how you make a recording. Now, we will want to edit that piece, so that's coming up in the next short screencast.